Greetings everyone. I'm here in love today to share a little bit of a different sound, a different vibration with my tongue drum, who when you're travelling you don't get to take everything with you, so I'm coming back to have a little sharing session with you all if you're open to it. It won't be out for a while. As you can see, I'm with baby and being a bit private and sacred about this journey as we learn together. And really just trusting the flow state, knowing how we never know how anything arrives in our lives, these sacred connections, these beautiful gifts that come from other realms with their lessons and blessings. And I would love to share these frequencies with you. And also I'm a little bit in pink today because I'm just honouring that inner play and that inner child, and I believe baby girl's helping me to reconnect with mine, so that's maybe why I'm a little bit more pink. And also just there was a quote recently and it was about healing so far or so much that you fall in love with the colour pink again. And it could have been a reference to women, but I really resonated with it because I love it. Feels like such a high vibration. It's not, especially in nature and flowers, it's just one of my favourite colours, frequencies. And I know there's been darker times in my life when it's not featured in my wardrobe. And I think colour and in our day-to-day and what we wear really can enhance our connection to self and the different versions of ourselves. I speak as a woman, maiden, mother, crone, and the different sort of seasons we go through in a month or a cycle, however we look at that, through the years or through the year, according to our belief systems and our body temple. So yes, just wanted to honour the pink, the love, and obviously many of us know that grief and pain come hand in hand with love, and that we don't shy away from that as feeling sentient beings, that we honour movement and flow and however it comes, and surprises from wherever they need to, because this is a funny human experience, and I believe we can all tap into this huge expansion of love right now. So a little bit of tongue drum for you.